Chasing Shore-Based Power Supply System, CSPSS, is a dedicated accessory exclusively developed for chasing M2 Pro and M2 Pro Max ROVs. Benefiting from its battery compartment design, the CSPSS can work immediately once connected to the ROV. It outputs up to 1500 watts power and allows 5 accessories to be mounted simultaneously. The CSPSS provides multiple protections such as leakage protection, overcurrent protection, undervoltage protection, overvoltage protection, short circuit protection, and high temperature protection. All these protection mechanisms guarantee ROV's smooth and secure operations in your underwater tasks. ROVs equipped with the CSPSS can literally achieve all-day operations without power outages and greatly enhance underwater operations continuity, quality, and efficiency. The CSPSS can effectively solve the problem of low working efficiency caused by ROV batteries out of power and frequent replacement. So it perfectly meets the needs of long hours working within aquaculture, emergency rescue, scientific research, environmental protection, hull inspection, water conservancy, and hydropower industries. The CSPSS provides 100 meters and 200 meters cable lengths for options to meet the needs of different operational scenarios. Upgrading the cable to 200 meters allows your ROV to operate in a larger area and long distance. The CSPSS's high-voltage buoyant cable has a 250 kilogram to force tensile capacity. It is robust and can ensure the safe operation of the ROV and its cable even in harsh and complex water environments. The chasing carrying case can make the travel and storage experience simpler and easier and provide overall protection to its corresponding devices. The launch of the CSPSS will break the bottleneck of ROV underwater operation, enable ROV's all-day operation without the outage of power, and boost ROV's efficient, stable, comprehensive performance of underwater application within various industries.